Sometimes a change of place or the change of environment pushes you to do so many new things. I've been in Bangalore for the last 3 years, and I think it's time to change the environment. Hi guys, I'm Shan Chahar. Welcome back to the channel, and I am moving to a new country, not just a new city this time. And I have so many mixed feelings right now. From 2020, when I started this channel, starting it from my room to moving to Hyderabad, to then moving to Bangalore, and finally moving out of India itself, feels surreal. There are so many reasons I want to move out, and I got an opportunity. I created the opportunity. I did not get it actually. बहुत बारी life में you have to do things that you never thought of. Never in my life I would have imagined that Nishant will move out of India. He'll move to a new country. I did not imagine a lot of things that happened, and everything happened just because I took chances, like which most people might not go ahead with, right? For example, leaving a very stable job, starting content on the side when everyone around you is pulling your leg. Family was like, kya kar rahe ho? Initially years, like initial 5-6 months, friends were always like, dekho YouTuber aa gaya. And then you came out of all that, trusted yourself, and built something more valuable. Like, not just something, you built your skills that you can move out of the country, you can pursue your dreams, you can do anything that you want, and you don't have to be restricted by anyone just by your thinking, right? That is what I've earned in the last 5-6 years. Not just money, but the freedom to do whatever I want whenever I want. And yeah, so I'll just walk you along with me in this moving out journey. So I've packed a lot of things. All this here is not packed as of now, but I have packed whatever is needed for me to start a new chapter of my life in a new country. This is the setup that I have spent most of my time, created so much content from here, and leaving this behind is very emotional. Bagi, guess where I'm actually going. I'll create a different video for that for sure. I have my flight tomorrow morning, and yeah, I just have one day. So let's continue packing. So I cannot take a lot of things because we have a limited luggage only. I've packed a few books as well. So these are the only 4 books that I'm taking with me. This one was recommended by one of my friends, Yajas. He started reading this and he said this is one of the books that you should definitely read if you are having a creative block. So yeah, let me finish this. I'll probably see you in the evening. I have a few things to get done, and tomorrow we have our flight. My immigration is done, and I have very mixed feelings. So everything is done. I did my FT IDTP, which is fast track immigration as well, and it took me, I think, 5-10 minutes extra. But now, anytime I have to fly in and out of the country, I don't have to go through a tedious immigration process, which is a plus. I haven't slept yesterday. That's why my eyes also look puffy, and in general, I'm fat. So yeah, I have mixed feelings right now. I was not able to go home abhi. I will go home later. But this was to make my parents get their passport as soon as possible because they have been delaying it for a long time. Yeah, and let's see how the next chapter begins and how the next chapter goes. So we have landed, and it looks good. The people who greeted me were really sweet. We have our card, and now we will go in our room. First look for both of us, for all of us. Let's first go inside. We'll take our bags later. Woo! Full length mirror. Our kitchen. This is our view, and that is our bed. And yeah, this is the place I'll be staying for the next few months. So guys, we have entered our room, and abhi chal rahi hai unpacking after packing a lot of stuff. Now we are setting our clothes. So let's unpack together and set up. First grocery run of Dubai. Let's go. This is where I'm living. It's called Sheikh Zayed Road. तो इसके सामने ही you'll find World Trade Center, and you'll also find the Museum of the Future. तो बिल्कुल सेंट्रल दुबई के पास ही है सारी चीज़ें. So after our first grocery run, we are back. We went to Carrefour and got so many things. Here the white tissues. फिर I got fresh berries. 3 तरीके की. गिर गई एक तो. फिर उसके अलावा गॉट फ्रेश मशरूम्स पास्ता बनाने के लिए. उसके अलावा रात की क्रेविंग्स के लिए मकेन. फिर पास्ता लाया. देन राइस नूडल्स एंड दिस बैग इज एम्प्टी. इसमें कुछ डिस्काउंट नहीं. टोटल 400 दिरहम्स का हमारा सामान आया है. तो हम ये सारा 10,000 रुपये का सामान ले आए हैं. मम्मी बोलेंगी क्या पागल हो गया है क्या. एवरीथिंग वाज ऑलमोस्ट 2x एक्सपेंसिव. या दैट इज इट. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर तुम देखोगे तो आज हम बहुत सारे नून के ऑर्डर कर चुके हैं और सब अलग अलग हैं. दिस वाज नून मिनट्स. दैट इज नून सुपर मॉल. एंड उसमें लिखा था 47 मिनट्स में आएगा. एंड इट केम इन लेस देन 30 मिनट्स भाई. और ये जेप्टो स्विगी सबसे ज़्यादा है भाई. 15 मिनट लिखते 3 मिनट में आ जाता है. आई एम जस्ट सुपर इम्प्रेस्ड विद ऑल दिस. तो गाइस, अब दिन का चौथा 5वां नून ऑर्डर आ ही गया है, तो उसको अनबॉक्स कर लेते हैं. तो भाई ये तो सिंपल अपना चॉपर है. चॉपर तो चाहिए ही होता है. ये अपना हमने मिक्सर ग्राइंडर मंगा लिया है. तो ये हैंड वॉश तो मंगाने थे भाई. हैंड वॉश तो चाहिए होते हैं. एंड दिस इज आवर वाटर डिस्पेंसर पानी के लिए. तो मैं यहाँ पे बाहर सोफे पे बैठा हुआ था तो मेरे को सर्दी सी लगने लग गई. मैंने कहा यार ब्लैंकेट सा मंगा ही लेते हैं. बस दैट इज इट. दिस वाज अनदर ऑर्डर. इसके साथ एक और नून मिनट्स किया था मैंने. ये तो सुबह दिन वाला है. इसके अलावा एक और अभी किया था. Love it. Day 0 is done. Now everything is completely set from making shakes to making food to making everything. Hello friends. So we are going for a coffee run. I thought of not dressing up. That is it. Let's go. So when I was coming to Dubai, everyone said it's so hot. It's super hot. But if you have like grown up in Delhi, currently the weather is normal. Yeah, around 12 if you go out, then it's going to be super hot. But in general, if you don't go out around 12, then it's not going to be that hot. So currently it's 5:30 approx, and it's walkable. Like I can walk easily. I'm not sweating. Like I'm not dripping with sweat. This area is called Sheikh Zayed Road, and just right in front of this we have the Museum of Future. So we are about to reach Museum of the Future. That is the Museum of the Future. तो जहाँ कॉफी लेने गया था, actually वो बिल्डिंग ही टूटी हुई थी. Like this glass on that building was broken. That's why there was no entry in that building. I decided to keep walking, and after walking I reached here. So वॉक करते करते हम दुबई मॉल और बुर्ज खलीफा पहुंच गए हैं. आफ्टर वॉकिंग फॉर अनदर 20 मिनट्स आई विल रीच बुर्ज खलीफा एंड द दुबई मॉल. सो गाइस, वी हैव गॉट we have got our garlic knots. So today we have our medical for Emirates ID. After that I'll go to the gym directly from there. So I'm having my protein shake. Right now I got the Super U half a kg packet from India itself, because I did not know the protein situation here, but like it's readily available in any store. You can get a normal 30 gram protein ka shake. Yeast protein doesn't blend with milk properly. There were some chunks in this. 100% protection. Let's go. See you soon. So we are all packed up. It's not that hot actually. It's around 35, 36 degrees, similar to what Delhi is and Mumbai is. The medical got done in like 2 minutes. Then they just took my blood sample and did an X-ray of my chest, and that is it. I was wrong about the heat actually. It is hot. I am sweating a bit. It's not unbearable, but it is hot for sure. So yeah, it generally took me 5 minutes. Now here is the mall entry. I'll go inside the mall, cross, get a coffee, and then go to the metro. I wore all this to go to the gym, so I'll just walk to the gym then.